Guys, so if you have a problem of your iPhone showing a wrong time on here, we can change it very easily. So first of all, we're going to the settings application on our iPhone. Now what you want to do first is to go all the way down to find this privacy and security tab. Tap on it once. Now what we need to tap on is location services. We tap on it once just as well. And here what you want to find is this location services. You need to set it on, okay? Just leave it on. Oops. Right, now once it's on, you're going back to the settings, and now we need to go up and find the general tab. We tap on adjust as well. Now the next step would be to scroll slightly down to find this date and time tab. We tap on adjust as well, and what you want to do here is to set automatically function, okay? You just turn it on. Now if this did not help you, it means that your iPhone for some reason cannot recognize your actual location. Now in this case we need to switch off the set automatically option and manually choose the time and date we need, okay? After doing this, your iPhone will show the proper and actual time, okay? If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to our channel.